সঙ্গীত পরিবেশন করলেন শ্রী শৃঙ্গেরি সারদা বিদ্যা মন্দিরের স্টুডেন্ট এবং টিচাররা। স্বাগত বক্তব্য প্রদানের জন্য অনুরোধ জানাচ্ছি ডক্টর V.R. গৌরীশঙ্কর, চিফ অ্যাডভাইজার শ্রী সারদা পীঠম শৃঙ্গেরি।
I kindly request Padma Shri Dr. V.R. Gaurishankar, Special Advisor Sri Sharada Peetham Sringeri, to share his valuable words.
सदाशिव समारंभां शंकराचार्य मध्यमां अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वंदे गुरु परंपरां। भारती करुणापात्रं भारती पदभूषणं भारती पदमारूढं भारती तीर्थमाश्रये। विद्या विनय संपन्नं वीतरागं विवेकिनं वंदे वेदांत तत्त्वज्ञं विधुशेखर भारती। His Excellency the Governor of Nagaland, Honorable Chief Minister of the State of Tripura, Honorable Ministers on the dais from the State of Tripura, and all well-meaning devotees who are present here on this historic day. For all the followers of Sanatana Dharma, wherever we are, this 11th March 2024 is a very, very important historic day that will be talked about for many years to come. On this day, for the first time ever in history, a South Indian architecture temple has come up and got inaugurated in the state of Tripura. Adi Shankara, who is the resurrector of Sanatana Dharma in our country, 12 centuries back, Adi Shankara was the sage who was responsible for bringing in the practices of Sanatana Dharma back into our life. The idol of the great sage, who is, we think, is the reincarnation of Lord Shiva, also has come to this place, and probably this is the first idol in the northeast portion of the country, anywhere where Adi Shankara's temple has been built. Even though the literacy rate in this particular area is very high, Goddess Sharada being the presiding deity of our Sharada Peetham Sringeri, we have a small temple for Goddess Sharada also. Goddess Sharada is the goddess for learning, Saraswati. In this form, she has come here, and over and above all, the most benefactor God, sought after by all the devotees of Sanatana Dharma all over the world, and people throng to his place to have his darshan for few seconds. Venkateshwara Swami, Lord Balaji, has come to this place today in all his decorum and dignity. The three idols have been installed as per our traditional custom. Prana Pratishtha has been done, and I am sure with the blessings of our Jagat Guru, Lord Balaji, Goddess Sharada, and Adi Shankara will continue to bless all the people of the state of Tripura, and in time to come, very shortly, this place is going to be a place, a center for not only propagation of our Dharma in its subtile form, but also will become a Kshetra where people come here to have darshan of Lord Balaji. It was about 12 years back